Dandruff is one of the most common scalp concerns in the United States, affecting millions of people every year. It becomes especially noticeable during the winter months, when cold outdoor weather and dry indoor heating systems strip moisture from the scalp. While dandruff is often dismissed as a minor cosmetic issue, it is actually a sign that your scalp's natural balance has been disrupted. All the remedies shared here use affordable, easily available ingredients commonly found in American grocery stores, health food shops, or online. What is dandruff and why does it happen? Dandruff is the result of excessive shedding of dead skin cells from the scalp. While some flaking is normal, dandruff becomes a problem when flakes are large, visible, itchy, and persistent. Common causes of dandruff in the U.S. Dry scalp due to cold weather and indoor heating, overwashing, hair with harsh shampoos, hot showers that strip natural oil stress, and poor sleep, dehydration, sensitivity to hair products, overgrowth of scalp. Yeast malassezia. From a holistic perspective, dandruff is closely connected to imbalances in hydration, oil production, and scalp microbiome health. An Ayurvedic perspective simplified for modern living, Ayurveda views dandruff as a scalp condition. It's caused by imbalance, particularly dryness, irritation, or excess oil. In simple terms, dry. Itchy flakes equals lack of moisture. Greasy, sticky flakes equals excess oil and microbial growth. Ayurvedic remedies focus on restoring balance rather than masking symptoms. The goals are to calm irritation, reduce fungal and bacterial buildup, rehydrate the scalps, strengthen the scalp's natural barrier, prevent dandruff from returning. Remedy 1. Neem. A natural antifungal scalp cleanser. Neem is a powerful plant traditionally used for skin and scalp health. Or Ayurveda, it's known as Sarva Roga Nivarine, meaning the healer of many conditions. Antifungal properties, antibacterial and antiseptic action, helps calm itching and redness, supports scalp detoxification. Neem is especially helpful if your dandruff is accompanied by itching or irritation. Option A. Neem water scalp rinsul. Neem, a handful of neem leaves, or 1 to 2 teaspoons. Neem powder, 2 to 3 cups of water. How to use. Boil neem in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool to warm after shampooing. Pour it over your scalp, gently massage and rinse. With plain water. Option B. Neem plus yogurt scalp mask. You'll need neem powder or paste, plain, unsweetened yogurt. How to use. Mix neem with yogurt into a paste. Apply directly to the scalp. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Remedy 2. Fenugreek methi. Removes flakes and soothes dryness. Fenugreek seeds are widely available in Indian or international grocery stores in the U.S. They're excellent for dry, flaky scalps. Why fenugreek helps naturally moisturizing. Anti-inflammatory, helps loosen and remove flakes, supports scalp comfort. Fenugreek scalp mask. You'll need 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon triphala powder. Optional. How to use. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight. Blend into a smooth paste. Mix with yogurt and triphala. If available, apply to the scalp. Leave on for 45 to 60 minutes. Wash with a gentle shampoo. Remedy 3. Coconut oil plus lemon juice. Hydration. Antifungal care. This is one of the simplest and most effective home treatments for dandruff. Why this combination works. Coconut oil deeply hydrates dry scalp, helps restore natural oil balance, reduces flaking. Lemon juice contains vitamin C and citric acid, helps control fungal overgrowth, refreshes the scalp. How to use. You'll need 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Warm the coconut oil, slightly mix in lemon juice. Massage into the scalp. Leave on overnight or at least 2 hours. Shampoo gently. Use once weekly. Remedy 4. Aloe vera plus castor oil. Relief for itchy scalp. Aloe vera is widely used in the U.S. for skin health, and it works just as well for the scalp. Benefits of aloe vera: instantly soothes, itching reduces, inflammation hydrates, dry skin supports. Healing. Castor oil improves circulation and locks in moisture. How to use. You'll need to 1 cup fresh aloe vera gel or pure store-bought gel, 2 tablespoons castor oil. Mix both ingredients. Apply evenly to scalp. Leave on overnight or for 2 hours wash with a mild shampoo. Remedy 5. Amla plus Tulsi Scalp. Strengthening treatment. Amla Indian gooseberry is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Tulsi adds antimicrobial protection. Why this work? Strengthens scalp health, reduces recurring dandruff, supports healthy skin. Renewal. How to usul need 2 tablespoons amla powder, 2 tablespoons ground Tulsi holy basil water mix into a smooth paste. Apply to the scalp, leave for 30 minutes, rinse and shampoo gently. Supportive oils for dandruff control. Warm oil treatments once a week can dramatically improve scalp health. Good options include bringraj oil, neem oil, fenugreek. Fused oil. Massage gently, leave for 2 to 3 hours, then wash. Lifestyle tips for Americans dealing with dandruff. Avoid daily washing unless necessary. Use sulfate-free shampoos. Limit hot showers. Stay hydrated. Manage stress. Avoid scratching the scalp. Dandruff doesn't disappear overnight, but it can be completely managed and often eliminated by addressing scalp balance naturally. Choose one remedy. Stay consistent for several weeks and support your scalp with gentle care. Natural treatments work best when used patiently and regularly. Healthy scalp. Healthy hair naturally.